Hey guys, my name is Siddhant, and in this video I am going to make a fridge magnet of goggle wearing emoji. So let's start. You first need to cut a circular piece of cardboard and you have to paste a magnet on the center of the cardboard, or you can only buy it. So after doing this, you have to paint a whitish layer on the cardboard. So as you can see, I've painted the white layer and left it for drying. So when it had dried, you have to paint the yellow layer on the white layer of cardboard. So as you can see, I've finished the painting of my yellow layer and now I'm leaving for it to dry. So as you can see, it's completely dry and now I'm going to make goggles and mouth. So as you can see, I have finished painting my goggles and mouth. So I am giving a little bit effects. So I am giving effects with white color. So guys, I've completed making my goggle wearing emoji fridge magnet. So if you like this, then like and subscribe my channel for more.